What's up guys, my name is Rob G and welcome back to another video. On this channel you'll find some helpful tutorials and YouTube related videos to help you get started here on the platform. If that's something that you're interested in, please subscribe to the channel below, click the bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. This next video we're going to be talking about a service that's going to take your channel to the next level. This service is called Canva and it's an online service, and this service is absolutely free. You can make just about any kind of graphics for your channel art, thumbnails, website, presentations, anything you need. Canva has it all. And the best thing about Canva is it's totally free. So I'm going to give you an overview of what Canva has to offer, and you be the judge of it if you want a free service or they do have a paid service. But I'll get into a little bit more of that into the video. The free service is just as good. You'll like it. You might want to upgrade. That's up to you. But let's check out the video and I'll show you exactly what Canva has to offer. Let's go into the video. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my browser and we're going to just go straight to Canva. So basically when you first open up Canva, this is what you're going to see here. And this is actually what Canva looks like when you first sign up for Canva. You're going to get this layout here with a bunch of different stuff here. And if you come over here to the right hand side, you got a couple of things up here. This is your profile that you're going to see up here. And this just has a couple of your personal settings. Once you sign up, you got your settings tab here, and you got the help center here. If you need if you have any kind of questions or anything like that. Now, I might not tell you that this is a free service, so you don't actually have to pay for anything here on Canva. This is totally free, and I do have to tell you this. The first time I found Canva, I signed up for a free account. And I got to tell you, after just maybe 2 weeks, I immediately signed up for the full version. And the full version is like $12.99 a month. And I signed up right away for that because I think it's a great service. But you could be the judge of that once you sign up. Okay, so if you look up top here, you have a bunch of different things here. If you come up here, you got templates, you got features here, and then you have a learning center here, which has a lot of different stuff here for you. If you come up to the templates here, this just shows you all the different templates that they have. You got Instagram stories, you got Instagram posts, Facebook covers, YouTube channel art. You can make your own channel art. You got LinkedIn banners, and you got a bunch of personal stuff here like resumes, you got cards, invitations, and postcards. You got business, you got websites, you got logos, you got business cards. You got just about everything here on Canva. And the list just goes on and on. You got education, lesson plans, worksheets, and bookmarks. You got Canva prints, you got videos, and you got YouTube intros and photo books, and you got menus. So this is all the different templates that they have that you can choose from. And if you wanted to go for like channel art, you can just click on the channel art, and that'll just open up the pages where they got some channel art that you can actually choose from. You look on the side here on your left hand side where it says themes, and you can see some of the themes that they have here and how many they have in each like category. So it kind of helps you out when you're looking for some of these themes. The YouTube themes alone, they have 430, and that's a pretty large amount of themes for a free service to actually give you. And if you come down here, you got some minimalist ones, you got modern, simple, you got elegant, and you got more down here. And these are all the themes that they have that you can choose from. Now, one of the things that you look for when you have a free version is that you'll see where you see it says free, and then you'll see some other ones that says like a pro version of it. So those are the ones that you're gonna have to pay for if you want. And I'm not really sure how much it is. I think it's like only $1, maybe something like that. If you want a theme it's a paid theme. Don't quote me on that. I could be wrong because I've never actually purchased one from them, but I think I've seen somewhere where it said like $1. So let me go back here real quick. Okay, so like I said here, once you come up here, you have a lot of different stuff here. You got presentations, you got social media, you got videos, you can create intros, you got marketing, office, and if you click on more, you got some more stuff here. These are just some of the ones that I made, and I gotta tell you, once you start making these themes and these thumbnails and stuff for your website, you're going to actually love it because they have so much. When you come up here to the Learn tab here, you go down to where it says like courses and tutorials. And this is a very helpful area here because this is where you're going to get a lot of help with Canva, and it's going to go over a lot of stuff that you have that's going to be available to you. So you definitely want to kind of check this out and see what they have here as far as information here for you. Getting started with Canva. And they have videos here that shows you a lot of different stuff on Canva. You got brand kits. The brand kit I found very useful because once you create a brand kit, you can add your colors and everything to your theme for your channel or anything. And when you create your content, once you go into your brand kit, you can use, it has your colors for your layout. And it kind of helps you when you're getting everything together. So I think that's a really good thing. Start designing, easy editing, welcome. You click on the welcome. And they just got some information here. Let me just click on this real quick.
Welcome to Canva. Let's take a look around the homepage and learn how to find what you need to start designing.
And the tutorials are pretty good. They're pretty right on point. Very classy, very elegant tutorials. So it should be pretty useful. So you might want to kind of look at this to see what actually they have to offer for you. I'm going to go back to that first page now. All right, so once you're on here, like I told you, you can start creating your stuff by just customizing your content here. If you click on the custom size, you can create any size that you want depending on what you're trying to create. You just add in your dimensions here and you click next and it'll take you to wherever it is that you need to do, whether it's a thumbnail or a custom header for your YouTube channel. Over here on the left hand side, these are some of my designs that I had. So if I click on this, it's going to show you some of the stuff that I already designed, and it actually saves your content when you create stuff. It'll actually save it for you. So that's another good thing. So if I go here, this is the brand kit I was telling you about. And these are some of the colors for my YouTube channel. So whenever I create my content and I look at my brand kit, I can actually grab some of the colors that I already have in my channel, and it'll kind of stay color graded and consistent with my YouTube channel. So that's another good thing. You got content planners. If you have specific dates that you want to do certain things, you can keep track of that. And these are folders. If you create any kind of folders, you can have your folders right here. Now, one of the things I like here is like, say for instance, if I click on, these are my designs right here, right? But if I click on like one of these designs here, it's going to take me to another page here, right? And this is where you're going to do all your customizations for your channel art or whatever the design that you're trying to do. So if you come over here, you can see all the different themes that they have here, and the list just goes on and on. And then once you sign up for your free version, this whole list here is just free for you. You can see here, this is the pro version. So if you don't have the free version, this is something that you're probably gonna have to pay for. But like I said, I'm already signed up, so this is actually free for me. And I guess this is like the Halloween stuff here they have here right now, which is pretty cool. So they keeping up to date with everything. It's almost Halloween. They got the themes there already. And I guess they'll do that for Christmas and Thanksgiving and stuff like that. So if you're one of those creative people, this is probably the perfect thing for you. So on the side here, you can see you have a couple of different options here. And I'm just going to go down the list right here. These are elements. You got uploads. You can upload your own content here. You can upload your own images or anything like that and use your images with this service, which is pretty good. The elements are, once you click on that, you're going to have a bunch of different categories of different content that you can actually add with your designs, like lines, arrows, frames, circles. You got rectangles, lines, squares, hearts, and it just goes on and on. It's like a never-ending thing here with Canva. You scroll down, you got more. You got some videos here. You got some more designs, frames, you got grids. And you can, like I said, you can upload your own photos. I upload my own photos here. So whenever I make my custom thumbnails and stuff, I can just grab a photo and just add it to my thumbnail. I'm going to have some more tutorials on here. I'm not going to go in depth on actually how you can create stuff yet, but I just want to allow you to have the opportunity to see what's exactly here and what Canva has to offer to you guys for a free service. And this is all free. You got text, you got unlimited text here where you can just add your text to your content. You can scroll down, just click all. And if you scroll down, you have a bunch of different text here. And this is all free text. You have a bunch of different stuff here. You got some audio here. You got some music. You can add music to your stuff, to your videos. These are some of the ones that I cut out. And these are just some folders. And you even got logos here. Again, this is the templates, and these are all the templates that they have. This list just goes on and on. And once you click on once you have your good designs the way you want, you can actually just click on this button on the right hand top side here, and you can just click download. This is like a video, so this would be like an MP4 file. But for the other stuff, let me go back here real quick. I'm gonna go to the home, and then go to my designs again. And this is just a thumbnail that I created. But once you finish creating your thumbnail and stuff like that, this is what the finished product looks like. And you can just come up here and you can just click and just download your thumbnail to your computer. And then you can upload it to YouTube and place it wherever it is that you want. Okay, so I just wanted to give you a little overview of what this program has to offer. This is a very powerful program. And it's an online service that's very powerful. And it just has everything. You can be very creative with this. So if you're one of those people that are very creative, this is probably the perfect thing for you. So this is just like an overview of Canva. Guys, if you find any value in this video, I appreciate it. If you subscribe to the channel, it would mean a lot. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.